Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1inch. The whole peculiarity and essential focal point of this cryptographic money is the programmability and capability as decentralized finance total specialist organization 1inch trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. Execution of tasks under unambiguous circumstances to guarantee ease of use, security, and usefulness. 1inch has acquired amazing importance. Before we start with definite 1inch cost forecast, really look at the outline. 1inch that has a significant effect. 1inch disseminated numerous tokens. In any case, the local token 1inch became popular as an administration and utility token, and 1inch cost figures related news began flowing on the lookout. The most significant component that pushes development is the cost of the 1inch token, making the speed and reasonableness that empower faster execution enhancements, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. The 1inch convention gives the stage to exchanging, tracking down the best arrangements across different decentralized trades. 1inch associations. Once the 1inch extended to Binance, there was rivalry among opponents to trade by means of 1inch in view of token cost. As said by Sergej Kuntz, prime supporter at 1inch organization, at present the 1inch conglomeration convention is as of now sent on Polygon, while the 1inch liquidity convention and the 1inch administration convention are supposed to grow over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and dealers getting to 1inch through others like Polygon benefit tremendously. Clients additionally benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in view of token cost. The 1inch test system. The aforementioned move of trading cryptographic forms of money gives 1inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Bend, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so forth. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon, are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this token and work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the principal Ethereum blockchain. Venture 1inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized determinations to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among endeavors advancing liquidity mining. 1inch can be a productive speculation choice in the DeFi area. In view of our 1inch cost expectation 2022, the token could cross 16 cents. A drawn-out increment is likewise expected. The cost guess for 2026 is 5 cents. As indicated by our 1inch cost expectation 2022, the token will be around $1.84 toward the finish of 2022. Furthermore, by 2026, it could exchange around $2.47. Beginning 2022, 1inch ought to show incredible potential, and the estimated lease cost of 1inch could be around the $5 mark. In light of our 1inch future cost figure information, the token could stretch around $325.22 before the current year's over, and by 2025, it might reach $1,434.20. The 1inch cost could arrive at somewhere near the $5 to $10 mark in the following couple of months according to our cost estimate. At the hour of composing this crypto cost gauge, the ongoing cost of 1inch is exchanging around $1.28, and information shows that the token has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year, with a coursing supply of 412,981,641 inch. The 24 hours volume has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost conjectures bring a few factors into accounts, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, incomparable coins. 1inch value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that 1inch is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022. 1inch value expectation 2023. Going by the examination of short and long haul cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for 1inch cost for heightening, particularly with other crypto rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the outline. There is a gauge possibility of 1inch causing a misfortune yet just small, dropping to $4.40. 1inch value forecast 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is gauged that 1inch would manage the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the very that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows 1CH
following
can
the moving
example
as well as
reliably
USD,
particularly the manner in which it is exchanging in contrast with other digital currencies like BTC. It is obvious that 1CH also value forecast 2025 on a similar bullish pattern. This year could check as the benchmark year's 1CH coin cost is anticipated to outperform $6 definitely. Fundamentally on the grounds that this year, no urgent elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economy, and it is guessed that the majority of the harm done to the coin would be headed for fix work in every world economy. 1CH value forecast 2026. It isn't not exactly extraordinary information. What started with a 1CH cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark. Consequently, it has supported the market opinion peculiarity definitely. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on the long run for the 1CH development following its worth intently as a speculation choice. Consequently, the 1CH cost forecast 2026 remaining parts very reassuring, expressing that the cost could leap to $6.20 by December. 1CH value forecast past 2026. Master brokers of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain instead of present moment because of the variable of unpredictability. With a touch of persistence in keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back by 1CH token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically, by when 1CH would be not anymore a guileless participant in the realm of digital forms of money. In any case, a carefully prepared player crossing cost $3.32 on the outline, making it exceptionally beneficial. Is 1CH a wise speculation? Indeed, notwithstanding, a reasonable level of effort is dependably fitting to post-perusing the market outline for cost expectation, watching the interest and supply rise and fall patterns. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required. In the event that you make a smart speculation in view of cost expectation, keep a watch on the site. Is 1CH a trick or genuine? Notwithstanding all discussions and contentions, 1CH uncovers an exceptionally solid and dynamic indication of an environment for speculation. You are encouraged to carefully follow the 1CH future value expectations and specialized examination. Where might I at any point purchase 1CH? At this moment, you can purchase 1CH at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your record arrangement at one of the trades that exchange 1CH, you should move your advanced monetary standards like BTC or ETH portfolio from one trade to that particular trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework. For what reason is 1CH cost rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence clients have rested in the resource. Simultaneously, it is a phenomenal explanation that 1CH is recorded on the graph to show an incredible presentation. This triggers financial backer reaction and offers a lot of persuasive opinion on the lookout for venture. No big surprise, the symbolic shows a steady cost rise. Thus, going by the cost estimate, might I at any point bring in cash with 1CH? To be sure, yes. 1CH cost execution on the diagram will be very bullish, say essentially for quite a long time, making it an alluring speculation. The development of the 1CH cost can be followed tenaciously. Clients are encouraged to go through the day-to-day cost expectations and do their